Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make the structure of chlorophyll. We'll explore the fascinating molecular architecture that allows plants to capture sunlight. Understanding this structure is key to comprehending how life on Earth thrives. We'll break down its main components and see how they fit together. Get ready to dive into the microscopic world of plant power. Let's look at the core components. The porphyrin ring, a complex cyclic structure, is the light-absorbing part. It's made of 4 smaller pyrrole rings linked together. Right in the middle, a single magnesium ion is held tightly, which is vital for electron transfer. Attached to this ring is the phytol tail, a long hydrocarbon chain that anchors the molecule within the thylakoid membrane. The assembly of chlorophyll is a multi-step enzymatic process. It starts with basic building blocks, gradually forming the complex porphyrin ring. Enzymes carefully guide each step, ensuring the correct structure. Once the ring is formed, a magnesium ion is precisely inserted into its center. Finally, the long phytol tail is added, completing the chlorophyll molecule, ready for its role in photosynthesis. Chlorophyll's structure is perfectly designed for its job, absorbing light. It captures photons, especially in the red and blue spectrum, reflecting green light, which is why plants appear green. This absorbed energy powers photosynthesis, converting carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen, sustaining nearly all life. It's a truly remarkable molecule. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.